here I have the Kozyvacu. That's the name brand that I purchased. It's an entire kit for a vacuum pump set. Comes with the gauges, comes with all the fittings. I was gonna do an unboxing video, but nothing really interesting in the box. This is what it all is. Show you how to put it together, whatnot. Comes with a nice user guide, which I already know how to set these up, so don't have to worry about that. But this is a great kit. Here's the vacuum pump. It's just a single stage, which I believe they all are. Here's your viewing window for the oil. Here's your exhaust port. That's actually where you pour the oil into. We'll get to that in a second. But gauges feel really nice. A lot better than that. So each one of these comes with all the fittings, like I said. So the high pressure side, you'll just take it, hook it into here, and you'll put this one in this side because it actually has a rubber O-ring, so that'll fit in here nicely. So there's only one way to put this together, so you can't mess it up, because this fitting in here already has an O-ring built into it, so don't need one here. So anyways, yeah, that's all great. So like I said, you'll take one of these fittings, slide them on like so. Don't need to go too crazy with it, and then to connect to the high pressure side, this all comes apart. So there you go. See it smash down that rubber. There you go. So that's nice right there. And then over here, go ahead and get this vacuum pump sealed up or filled up. Pick this up. It even comes with the right gear oil. Takes quite a bit. Pour right in the top here. Give it a second, let it pool up. You'll see it rise in the window. And there it goes. This one actually took the whole bottle. Yeah. Let me see if I can get in there. See that right there? That's what we need to do. Now you're gonna want to put this back on and make sure. Okay, I'm not sure what's going on with GoPro, but make sure you want to put that rubber seal in there. All right, so now we're gonna just switch it on, and we're gonna let the oil coat all the interior. And we're going to go ahead and take off this top one. There you go. When you hear it stop chugging, that's when it's fully coated. And that's it. So that's how you set up the pump. The only thing you need to purchase if you want to do your AC system in your car is you're going to need an extra yellow hose, which is for a vacuum. I mean, you could use that one, but we're going to need that one later for the actual putting in of the Freon. And you're going to need this tank, which the tank's kind of expensive. They didn't used to be, but they're pretty expensive now. They're empty. As you've seen from the beginning of the video, that they're just filled with from another video that I'm making. It's how to do a AC system in a car, which that's on my other YouTube channel, Anything Auto Repairs, so check that out. So as far as Anything Auto Reviews, the next thing you're going to need is a refrigerant recovery unit, which you'll see that in another video. But this is just a full breakdown of this. Great kit so far. Love the viewing window. These will actually just, whenever they're not in use, slap them in here and they hold it to keep it nice and organized. Comes a nice little carrying bag. This right here this little fitting right here is to tap the top of the can so that you can add the Freon with this hose later. So cool. It's a nice little bag. Comes with that. Comes with everything. So I like it. I'll let you know how it works in my other video on Anything Auto Repairs channel. Thanks for watching. All right, so after finishing using it to replace this AC compressor, worked great. It's not quiet. So as you can tell from this video that I started off in the house, then moved outside, because you're gonna get kicked out if you try to do this inside your house. So do it inside the garage, do it outside. I didn't feel like carrying it, but that's what I had to do. But anyways, yeah, worked great. Pulled a vacuum full on it, on the system. It held, so that was nice, and it performed great. So like I said, I'll leave the link in the description, and it's a good product.